This is Legend Nova, all about the motherfucking kicks. Put a like on the motherfucking button.
What is he in the mouse? What the fuck? All about the kicks. Subscribe to that channel, put a like on that button, share it to your friends and family. Got a shoe that people been sleeping on. This shoe, the volume was low, it went up like 30 bucks. I copped 2 pairs. They should be here maybe by this week or the end of next week, because you know Memorial Day is tomorrow, so you know it's gonna be a day ahead late. But these ain't mine. Had to get a review on these. These is a size 8 on these bad boys. Gold Nike check on the box. The box is fire. Like the box. Nice quality on this. This is real nice. Like I said, size 8 ain't my shoe. But like I said, dope shoe. Let's take it out the box. These are fire, yo. These gotta be. I'm not gonna even front with you. Like these shoes right here. Palominos. I'm calling these the slash mochas 2.0s, whatever you want to call them. These is fire, yo. That cutter blocking, the sleeve on the top, these are nice. Woo, these is fire. These gonna be the sleepers of the year, man. These gonna be in people's top 10. Like this shoe is fire, yo. It's fire, man. Nice quality shoe, man. You got the brown up here. I mean, a lot of people, a couple people, my cousin was saying he didn't like this Nike check up there. He wish they would have did a white one or did like a brown. But I mean, the shoe is dope, man. I have no complaint. I give this shoe a 10. The quality on this shoe is nice. Real nice quality shoe. And I know there's people saying the Jordan 1s is dead and all that. Nah, Jordan 1s ain't never gonna be dead. They might slow down a little bit, but they're not gonna be dead. And this shoe right here is gonna go for, I give it maybe 3 or 4 months. It's gonna be a $300 pair of shoe. Cause it looks just like a mocha. It's just a different color, black. And the mochas, I don't have those. I need those in my collection. I have to try the Scots. That's why I wasn't really worrying about getting the mochas. You know what I mean? But I do still want the mochas too. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So I'm gonna have to put that trigger maybe next year, man, because the price keep going up and up. They 500 and some change right now. But these is dope quality shoe, man. These is nice. Let's get close and personal, man. Tell me what y'all think about these mochas, man. Size 8, small feet, look good, man. I can't wait to get my size 11. Let's go. Are fire. These is a size 8. These ain't my shoes. Mine's coming in, I don't know, in a week or 2. I won 2. I bought one off Gold because I didn't know I was gonna win, and then I got one off Nike. So I got 2 pairs of these, man. Size 8. These ain't mine. I had to do a review. These is fire, man. The cutter blocking on these is nice. I didn't get a chance to get the mochas, man. I took an L on those, and right now the mochas right now is at least 500 to 550. So I'm definitely not buying those, but these are fire, yo. Fire shoe. Tell me what you think about these. I know some people are mad about this part right here. They wanted this to be maybe white or like match the color of this. But I mean, Nike know what they're doing, you know what I'm saying? They know what they're doing. Quality shoe is dope. The leather is nice on these. And you can't get no better than this, man. Real quality shoe. This is gonna be the sleeper of the year, man. It's gonna be a sleeper. My top 5 sneakers of this year is gonna be the Cherry 12s, these right here, the SBs, the UMCs that came out at the end of July, and the Jordan playoffs, man, the 8s. Those are my top 5. You know, that I really happy to get. Hope I could get all them shoes. 2 more shoes. The Cherries come out in October. The Jordan 11s come out in November. You know, so definitely need 2 pairs of those too. This is fire, man. For all these shoes. Let's get back to the video. Let's go. Please let me know. Leave a comment if you caught these shoes, man. Leave a comment. Please leave a comment. Dislike, like, whatever. I appreciate that love and support. These shoes to me is fire. I can't wait to get mine in hand. When I get mine in hand, I will do it on foot. So when I get my pair in, definitely gonna do it on foot, man. So if they come this week, the on foot will be done this week. If they come this week, it's gonna be done this week. But like I said, man, this is a nice quality shoe, and this is sleeper of the year, man. Like these right here, the UNCs, the playoff 8s, the Cherry 12s, the Jordan 11s that are coming out. Oh man, it can't get no better than that. Those are the top shoes I want. I don't care if I don't get no other shoes. If I get those shoes at this name right there, I'm good for the rest of the year. But anyway, man, thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. We almost hitting that 3,000 mark, man. Salute to everybody who subscribed to the channel, man. We 10 people short. 10 subscribers short for hitting 3K. And when we hit that 3K, man, we gonna do something special for the subscribers, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just give up a $50 gift card. I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. Y'all let me know. Leave a comment if you watch this whole video. Leave a comment when we hit that 3,000. What you think I should do for my subscribers, man, who's showing me love. You should give out some gift cards. What I should do, man, because I gotta appreciate y'all for almost hitting that 3K, man. I want to get to 4K this year, but I know that ain't gonna happen. We gonna push that to 2024. Try to hit 5K, and if we can hit 5K, man, that'd be good for your boy. Anyway, subscribe to the channel, put a like on the button. We out. Salute.